In this video, I'll show you how to create a WooCommerce One Click Upsell in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are on our demo site, and currently I'm viewing this sample product here. Okay, so the idea is, and again, your upsell will be unique to your store and your situation, but for this example, we're selling sample products, and we basically want to upsell the customers to the full version. Okay, so it's very simple. So whenever a customer purchases any sample products from us, so they can go ahead and purchase this product here. Okay, on the checkout and also in the mini cart, which I'll show you in a second, we've got the option here to allow them to upgrade to the full version. Okay, so this will be the full version of the product instead of the sample version. Okay, and if they click yes, they want to upgrade, we can do two things. Okay, so we can just add it to their order, or we can actually replace the item in their basket with the current product. Okay, so all they need to do is just go ahead and tick this option here, and it'll automatically add it to their basket. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the checkout page, and I'm going to show you where else we can add this upsell. Okay, so by default, when a customer adds an item to their basket, this mini cart option here will open. And again, this all depends on your settings. In my situation, I'm just bypassing this mini cart widget and also the cart page as well, just to speed up the checkout process. But if you wanted, whenever a customer adds an item to cart, it will open this mini cart area here, and then the customer can review their order. And then here we've got an opportunity to present our one-click upsell. Okay, so they can choose their variation, and then they can just go ahead with one click and add it to their basket. Okay, so to add this one-click upsell, we'll be using WooSuite all-in-one checkout plugin. So just head over to WooSuite.com, go ahead and download the WooSuite all-in-one checkout plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that said, let's head over to our dashboard and let's get started. Okay, so here we are in our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded the WooSuite all-in-one checkout plugin, just go ahead and upload that plugin. So we'll go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Just go ahead and click activate to activate your license key. Once you've done so, it will automatically redirect you to this add-on section. Okay, and then from here, we can just go ahead and activate the all-in-one checkout plugin, the free and the pro version. Okay, so just make sure you've toggled this to on. And with that said, let's go ahead and create our one-click upsell. So now we'll just navigate over to AIO Checkout for all-in-one checkout, and then we'll create our first upsell. Okay, so we'll navigate to order bumps. Okay, and just a quick note, if you wanted to use that modern checkout design like I've shown in the intro, then all you have to do is just go ahead and click create new checkout, and then you can customize your checkouts. Okay, so I'll leave a link on screen to the particular video showing you how to do this. So again, back to our one-click upsell, we'll click order bump here, and then we'll just click add order bump. Okay, since I've already created one, I'm going to go ahead and edit this one here. Okay, so in your case, you'll just go ahead and click add product. Okay, you want to choose the product in which you want to upsell customers on. Okay, so a few tips when it comes to upselling. Personally, I'll just start with your best selling product. So whatever your best selling product is, you can probably look at what's frequently purchased with that product, for example. Okay, so let's say this vanilla aftershave was your best selling product. If you notice customers typically purchase a body wash with this particular product, then maybe you want to add a body wash as an upsell, for example. Okay, will be unique for your situation and your store. Okay, so just click add product, go ahead and select the product here, and then click add product. Again, since I've already got my product added here, we're just going to leave it as it is. Here I'm offering a 15% discount. I didn't realize it was 15%. Let's quickly change this to 10%, because in the copy we say 10%. Okay, and then we can choose whether we want to offer a percentage discount on the regular price or the sales price, or we can offer a fixed amount off on the sale price or on the regular price. Here as well, we get to decide the number of units that we'll be adding to this upsell. So for the order bump behavior, we have two options. So we can add this order bump to their cart, or we can replace the order bump with the item in their cart. Okay, and then for the display position, we've got a few positions here. So we can display it above the order summary, below the order summary, above the payment gateway, below the payment gateway, or above the checkout form. Okay, and then for priority, let's say for example a customer matches two different upsells, one-click upsell, then we've got the option to specify a priority to each upsell. So the upsell with the lowest number will have the highest priority. Okay, so we can just navigate over to design here. We can just craft our copy here. Okay, so for the title, if you just leave the title here, it will just be the product name. Okay, then here we can add our offer description, and then here we can add our call to action. Okay, so we can say click here to add this to cart or something like that. Okay, we can choose whether we want to enable the image, the product image, or disable it. And we've got two different style here. So we've got the default style, or we've got the notification style. Okay, so I'm just going to set this to default, and then when we navigate over to conditions, so we've got a few options, and there'll be more added over time as well. But here I've just kept mine super simple. So I've said whenever a customer purchases a product from our samples category, okay, so the samples category is selected here, then we want to show this particular upsell. Okay, so we can just save changes. Again, since I've already got everything pre-set up, I'm just going to X this off. Okay, and now when we go ahead and check out our rule, then our upsell should trigger. So firstly, let's remove these items from our basket. Okay, let's remove this one as well. And just to make sure our rule's running as it should, I'm going to add a product to cart that's not within our samples category. Okay, so here I've added this product here, which is not in our samples category. And as you can see, our rule's not triggering, which is perfectly fine. So now let's go ahead and add this particular product, which is in our samples category. And now we should be able to see our one-click upsell. Okay, and we can see our upsell here. So if we go ahead and click this option, it should add it to our basket. Okay, and that's working fine. So if you can remember as well, for my settings, I've just set it to add the upsell to their cart, okay, instead of replacing it. So now your customers can go ahead and complete the checkout process, and you've just created a delightful experience for your customer, and you've also increased your average order value and revenue at the same time as well. And that's a quick and easy way to add a one-click upsell in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below, or reach out to support, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.